Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel. If you are new, hi, welcome. I really hope you will enjoy this next video that I have just edited for you guys. I have to say it is an older, like pre-recorded video, and of course this is part of my nail polish of the week range, which I almost do every single week, where I live swatch and talk about one specific nail polish color. But of course, before you're going to start to paint your nails with any colored polish, make sure that you're going in with the base coat first. And of course, if you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love for you guys to do so and help me achieve my yearly goal. And of course, hit that notification bell as well if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, which is at least 3 times a week. But yeah, back to this nail polish of the week video, because as I mentioned, before going in with any colored polish, just go in with your favorite base coat. I'm going to use a whole bunch of Holo Taco products in this particular video, and if you have been hanging out with me for a longer period of time, you know that I'm pretty much in love with that smoothing base coat by Holo Taco. Just for the record, every single item that I'm using in this video I have purchased myself. I'm unfortunately not on the PR list or anything of Holo Taco. I would love to though, because I'm quite a big fan of at least their super shimmery glittery polishes, and yeah, of course their base coat as well that I'm using right here. And yeah, I have actually recorded this video I think 8 weeks before it's going to go live. I'm not quite sure. It has been quite a while. I had actually just shortened my nails when I recorded this nail polish of the week video, so I think it's like 8, maybe even 10 weeks ago. I can't remember, but I didn't want to leave this one out because I think it's really fun to switch it up a little bit. Even though my own nails are a lot longer as we speak, I do know that there are a lot of my viewers out there who actually have short nails, so I thought it was a lot of fun to just share a short nail polish of the week video as well. But the color that I'm already showing you right here is also by Holo Taco, and this one is called Lemon Sucker. It is such a beautiful, super bright yellow, super linear holographic polish. It is opaque in one thicker coat or 2 thin coats. And yeah, you guys know me, I would always suggest to just apply 2 thinner layers to get a nice opaque and even finish without having to wait for an hour before your nail polish is completely dry. But just look at that polish, wow, I really love it. Oh, and by the way, I do have on my right hand actually a similar kind of holographic glittery gel polish, which is by Madam Glam. I got that one in their, I think, Made in Color collection last June, and it is quite similar. I've had some questions if I wanted to compare that Madam Glam gel polish collection with the rainbow collection that this nail polish is from, but the colors are quite similar. The only thing is the Holo Taco collection actually has an extra color that the Madam Glam collection doesn't have, and the Madam Glam gel polishes actually have more of a more chunkier glitter. It's not super chunky though, it's like a regular holographic glitter that's in the Madam Glam gel polishes. And if I look at the rainbow collection by Holo Taco, it is more of a shimmery glitter, more fine, finely milled or something. You can see it right here, the Madam Glam gel polish has a lot more more in your face glitter, while the Holo Taco one has more of a holographic shimmery glitter. Yeah, you know what I mean. You will see it in the end if you look at the Madam Glam color as well. The color tone, the yellow tone, is quite similar. I do feel like the Holo Taco one is a little bit more how do you say that? A little bit more dark, just a tad. It isn't much, but if I held my hands together after I had recorded this video, I felt like the Holo Taco was just a little bit more dark, a little bit more intense, if you know what I mean. And of course, the Madam Glam color actually needed 3 layers to get quite opaque, decently opaque, whereas this Holo Taco polish, a regular nail polish, only needs 1 to 2 coats to be completely opaque. And yeah, I just don't like to see my natural smile line peeking through nail polishes, so I definitely like a more opaque kind of look and finish. And I really love the fact that this Holo Taco one actually is completely opaque in just 2 thin coats. And if you are like me, like regularly, I have really long natural nails. These are really short for me. Now I look at my nails while recording this voiceover. My nails have grown so much, it is insane. I've actually shortened them again, just a little bit, like slightly with a nail file, and they're just growing really fast at the moment. I feel like they're growing faster than they usually do, and I'm not even really paying attention to my nail care routine at the moment, so I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's like my diet or anything, but yeah, I'm pretty happy. I'm happy that my nails are growing fast, long and strong again. But just look at this up close and personal like bottle shot. It is so gorgeous. I tend to do so, just look at the polishes that I'm using while waiting for my first coat to be fully dry. It's just, I just love nail polish. I can't help myself. I'm just a big nail polish addict, enthusiast, like junkie. I don't know, I just love it so much. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of nail polish you are wearing at the moment, or if you are painting your nails together with me while watching this video, let me know what color you are applying. And I'm also really curious if you have any like recommendations when it comes to base coats or top coats, which work really nicely for you. And also let me know what kind of nails you have. Maybe you have like really strong, like tough nails, pretty much like my nails. Mine can like handle a lot of manual work, I have to say, but maybe you have brittle nails or really short nails that tend to break a lot. Do let me know that in the comments down below as well, and especially what kind of products you use that work really well for your nails. I think that's like really helpful information that a lot of other viewers will really appreciate, because of course I only do my nails at the moment. I'm not working on any other people. Especially because I just don't have time, and of course there's like COVID happening, and I'm just not working on anyone else at the moment. So yeah, I'm really curious to hear about all of your like personal opinions and favorite items, and yeah, I just think it's really helpful, so thanks for sharing on forehand. But of course, if you are happy with your opaqueness of the polish, maybe you just added 1 coat, maybe you're like me and you added 2, make sure that those coats are completely dry before going in with your top coat. And yeah, I'm just going in with the Glossy Top Coat, or Taco I have to say, by Holo Taco. Unfortunately, I mentioned this in the previous video as well. For some reason I can't get my hands on the like super glossy taco, like the super glossy one, because there are like some ingredients in there that aren't allowed in Europe. So yeah, they actually don't ship that to the Netherlands, where I'm from. So yeah, that kind of sucks a little bit, because I really want to try it out. But I'm just going in with the regular Glossy Taco. And of course, you can just switch it up and use whatever top coat you prefer. But do remember to cap off the edge if you have a little bit of a free edge with a little bit of that top coat as well. That actually makes sure that your manicure lasts a lot longer without any chipping or tip wear or anything like that, which usually happens with me pretty often, especially during my job and just work time, you know. I have quite a manual job, so I definitely need that extra little bit of like tip wear protection with that top coat. But yeah, I actually really want to redo this manicure on my now way longer nails and just see how these polishes look, or at least the Rainbow collection looks with a matte top coat. I haven't seen much swatches with a matte top coat added, so yeah, I'm actually pretty curious to know how that looks. But for now, this was the entire new nail polish of the week video. I really hope you guys like it, especially now, or at least in this video, I had shorter nails. I'm really curious to hear your thoughts about that, and if you would like to see me do more short nail videos, designs, and so on. I still have a couple to edit and upload, so don't worry, this won't be the first and last one. There are a couple more coming up in the future. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this color. Is it something that you will wear? And as usual, thank you so much. I really love you like a lot, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.